Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Do you like to hear stories? So, I will tell you one story. One day, Kevin's mother was feeding his little sister, Marin. She was feeding and feeding, but Marin was shouting, "No, Mama, I don't want to eat." And Kevin's mother said, "Marin, if you don't eat food, then how will you get energy for dancing, for playing with your brother Kevin, isn't it?" And Kevin heard this. He started to think, yes, in standard 5, he learned that we get energy to do work from the food we eat. Haven't you learned that? Do you remember that fact? That we get energy from the food we eat. After hearing this, Marin told her mother that, "No, Mama, no. Look at my dancing doll. She is not eating food, but she is dancing very well." And Kevin heard this also, and he started to think, yes, Marin is right. Her dancing doll is not eating food, but still she has the energy to dance well. Where does she get the energy to dance if she is not eating food? Do you know? Yes, today let us learn more about different forms of energy that are used for doing different works. Are you ready? What enables us to see during daytime? Do you know? Yes, sunlight, isn't it? You know that light is a form of energy. And what about during night? There is no sunlight, right? Yes, we get light from the electric bulbs or electric tubes, isn't it? Yes, you are very correct. I will show you some images. You have to find out the forms of energy that are used in each cases. Okay. What does this picture show? Yes, one man is riding a motorcycle. What is the form of energy used here? Can you say? Yes, the energy that are produced from burning fuels, isn't it? Okay, let us observe another picture. What are you seeing? Yes, cooking food, isn't it? What is the form of energy used here? Yes? Yes, very correct. We use the energy or heat energy that is obtained from burning wood, isn't it? So, which is the form of energy? Yes, heat energy. Let us observe another image. What is this? This is an electric fan. How does this fan work? എങ്ങനെയാ fan work ചെയ്യുന്നേ? വെറുതെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുവാണോ? No. We switch on the fan to work, isn't it? So what is the form of energy used here? Yes, you are very good children. Electrical energy, isn't it? So, electrical energy is a form of energy used for working an electric fan. Very good. So, we have seen different situations that uses different forms of energy for doing work, isn't it? Which are the forms of energy? Yes, heat energy, light energy, then yes, electrical energy, then sound energy. Is sound a form of energy? I will show you a video and please observe the video carefully. Are you ready?
Cheese done, yeah. Schenket toe, schenket.
What did you observe in the video? Yes, the man was screaming and the rice he placed on a membrane was moving, isn't it? What does this mean? Yes, this means that sound is also a form of energy. What is necessary to do work? We have seen many cases, isn't it? Some case of some like dash from burning fuels, then cooking for cooking, what type of energy? So, in a general case, what do we use to do work? What is necessary to do work? Can you say? Yes, energy is necessary to do work. You are very good children. Which is the form of energy that helps the movement of machine parts? Do you know machine parts, movement of machine parts like മോട്ടോർസൈക്കിളിന്റെ ഫാനിന്റെ ഒക്കെ എല്ലാ മെഷീൻസ് അല്ലേ? ആ മെഷീൻസിന്റെ ഒക്കെ പാർട്സിനെ മൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നത് എന്ത് എനർജി ആയിരിക്കും എന്നറിയാമോ? ഡു യു നോ ദ ഫോം ഓഫ് എനർജി? യെസ്, യെസ്, വെരി ഗുഡ്. It is mechanical energy, isn't it? How can you define mechanical energy? Yes. The form of energy that helps the movement of machine parts is called mechanical energy. Very good. Can you repeat it with me? Yes, the form of energy that helps the movement of machine parts is called mechanical energy. Yes. So, we have seen different forms of energy, isn't it? Heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, then sound energy, then the last one, yes, mechanical energy. So, do you understand? And what is needed to do work? Yes, energy is needed to do work. Now, let us examine other cases where different forms of energies are produced. So, we have seen that we need different forms of energy to do work. After doing work, do we get any kind of energy? Does any of these case produces different forms of energy? Let us examine. Observe these pictures very clearly. Okay. What do you observe? Yes, it is an electric bulb. So what is the form of energy that is produced by an electric bulb? Yes. Yes, we get light energy, isn't it? Yes. Now, have you ever touched a bulb? Yes. Other than light energy, it also produces heat energy. When we touch a bulb, after switching on it for some times, we can feel heat, isn't it? The bulb is very hot. So it produces another energy. What is it? Heat energy. So electric bulb produces both light energy and heat energy. Yes. Now let us look at another image. What do you observe? Yes, this is a torch, isn't it? Which are the energies that are produced in this case? Yes, light energy is produced, and when we touch the glass of the torch, we can feel small amount of heat, isn't it? Yes, here also small amount of heat is produced. This means that along with light energy, here heat energy is also produced. Yes, very good. Let us move on to the next picture. In this case, What is this? Yes, it is a candle. It is a lit candle. ഒരു മെഴുകുതിരിയാണ് അല്ലേ? So which are the forms of energy that are produced here? എന്തൊക്കെ എനർജിയാ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നേ? ലൈറ്റ് എനർജി പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ മെഴുകുതിരിയുടെ അടുത്ത് നമ്മുടെ കൈ കൊണ്ടുവന്നാൽ എന്താ നമുക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുക? Yes, it is hot, isn't it? We feel the heat. That means it produces two more energies as in the case. This means it produces two types of energies. Which are they? They are light energy and heat energy. Let us observe another case. What is this? പടക്കമാണല്ലേ? They are crackers. When these crackers are bursting, which are the forms of energies that are produced? Just think about it. Yes, വെളിച്ചം ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇതൊക്കെ കാണുന്നത് അല്ലേ? ലൈറ്റ് എനർജി. യെസ്, ഹീറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? പടക്കം പൊട്ടുമ്പോൾ നല്ല ചൂടാ അല്ലേ? യെസ്, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഹീറ്റ് എനർജി ഈസ് ഓൾസോ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ്. ഒച്ച ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? വലിയ സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കാം അല്ലേ? യെസ്, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് sound energy is also produced. So here, three forms of energy are produced. Which are they? Light energy, heat energy, and sound energy are produced in the case of bursting crackers. Yes. In this case, which energy is stored in the battery? Can you say? There are so many chemicals in this battery. Yes, very good. So, which is the form of energy that is in the battery? Can you say? There are chemicals, and which form of energy may be? Yes, chemical energy. You are very right. Chemical energy is stored in the battery. അമ്മ എന്തെങ്കിലും അരയ്ക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേനും ചെറിയ ചൂടുണ്ടാവാറുണ്ടല്ലേ ഈ മിക്സിയിൽ തൊട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ. So, heat energy is produced. What about sound? Sound ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ചെറിയ സൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാകും അല്ലേ? So, sound energy is also produced. There is another energy that we have learned earlier. അതേതായിരുന്നു energy? The form of energy that helps the movement of machine parts. അതേതായിരുന്നു ഓർക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? Yes, mechanical energy. So, the three energies that are produced in the case of mixer grinder are heat energy, sound energy, and mechanical energy. So here we have seen that after receiving energy, so many energies are produced by different materials, isn't it? What was the first case? The electric bulb, isn't it? The electric bulb produces light energy and heat energy. In the case of torch and in the case of candle also, light energy and heat energy are produced. Okay, do you understand? Yes. And in the case of crackers, which are the forms of energy that were produced in that case? Yes, light energy, sound energy, and heat energy. Which is the energy that is stored in a battery? We have seen. Yes, chemical energy. Can you define chemical energy? Yes, chemical energy is the energy contained in a substance. Energy contained in a substance is called what? Chemical energy. Repeat it once again. Energy contained in a substance is called chemical energy. That is, energy contained in a substance is called chemical energy. Which are the forms of energy that are produced in a mixer grinder? We have seen that. Heat energy, sound energy, and most important, mechanical energy. Yes, very good. So, again we have learned different forms of energy. They are light energy, heat energy, sound energy, mechanical energy, then one more energy. Yes, chemical energy, isn't it? So, you understand it, right? Yes. So what we have learned today? Can you say? So we have learned that energy is needed to do work. The form of energy that helps the movement of machine parts is called what? Yes, mechanical energy. Then energy contained in a substance is called what? Chemical energy. So today we have seen different forms of energy and mechanical and definitions of mechanical and chemical energy, isn't it? Will you learn it? Okay. So that's all for today's class. We will meet you in another session. Bye-bye.